Alright, so we got most of the base paint done. I have to do some more touch-up and stuff, but it's time to start putting it together. We gotta cut some feet holes out and all that stuff. I think we're looking pretty good. So I two-tone the back of this. Who the heck knows if it's gonna turn out? But I hope it does. I'm sure I did 10 things wrong, but part of the learning process, right? It's not too bad. And it doesn't need to be perfect when you're weathering them anyways, right? Not bad at all. I'll take it. Alright, I'm gonna get the window cut out. We're gonna do the window first, and then we'll see if I want to do anything different. See what we do about getting these on. I'll be right back in a second with some parts put together. Alright, that's loose fit. I still got a bunch of screws to put in, and I gotta finish weathering the back. I gotta mount the top, but I think that, I don't know, you guys tell me. I think it looks pretty good. I'll probably go over some more detail, but for my first time, I did some weathering on the front. I am going to clear coat it with a matte probably to dull some of that shine, and then I got to do the accents and all the logos and things like that. So, but I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Hope you guys dig it. We're back. I'm gonna do a little more on the weathering on the rear. The bed has got none, so I'm probably gonna pinstripe it. So I'll let you watch a little more. I'm still probably gonna need another video after this for mounting this part. I didn't screw this in back. What's going on here? Did I screw it in? I think I did. Which is difficult. So another thing happened. I need to get some tires ready before I even ran it. I'm gonna try and glue it, but I gotta wait for the battery anyways to run it. That's disappointing. I don't even remember pushing on it, you know. But what are you gonna do? It's part of the game, I guess, right? I must have screwed this together. No. What's holding this on? There it goes. So the wheel stays on well enough to sit there for a glamour shot. So that actually looks pretty cool with no bed and just the cannon too, though. That actually looks really cool. Oh man, I might have just recreated this. Well, I'm still doing this part. So what I'm doing for weathering, you can see my crappy fold. I'm not good at this, but it is what it is. So I'm just going on the edge, dabbing a little on the edge, and smudge it. You know, I don't know if it's the right way, but I know I'm not using the right paints for this, but that's what I got. So pinstripe, this groove, just to see what it looks like. Not too bad. I like these Gundam markers. Look too bad. Again, I'll mess that in. Call it part of the leather. They don't like to go back over. So. Get the idea. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it looks cool. So I guess that's all that matters, right? My daughter thinks it's cool, so, and that's really all that matters in reality. You know, that really does look good, just like that. Just put a little chair there and get her in there. I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably set it up both ways and let you guys tell me which one you think looks better. So I got to put the clear parts on too. Might as well do that while I'm sitting here. Where does this one go? This goes here. So now I was told I got lights for this too, but I'm probably gonna have to figure out how to mount them. I got some Sharpies. Use what you got, I guess. Probably have to go back over. sharpener might work for some of that. Well, cool. Alright, on to the silver. So I did most of the weathering in the front with silver. And all I did was dabbed a little, rolled the edges. Didn't care if I was really neat. And then I just rubbed it, made it dirty. Keep adding until it looks right. Every time I add a little, I like to go along creases. Crease. You know, don't look too bad. Took forever for this marker to start going. Bring it in, see that? Looks good. You get the idea. I saw the RC every day and 419 and Adventure Time. Those guys got lots of different techniques. Probably should rewatch some of that. Make sure I'm doing this right. I remember one with the rag and water. But I just started winging it, and it seemed to work okay. So let me see it again. I'm probably going to go back through them, put some bullet holes or something like that. That's what I mean, like I'm going to need one more just for, you know, digesting it. And you know, that looks good. Reminds me of, I think I mentioned it before, the way they used to weather the Masters of the Universe to make it look creepy. Go on the edges like that. It helps accent it, I think, so you can see the lines. Yeah, I'll keep doing this for a while. I'll bring you back once I get a little further along. You get the idea. I think it's looking good though. Looking real good. Well, I think that's about it for this time. I do want to know what you guys think, because I really dig this. I don't know, I'm caught in a conundrum. So in the comments, let me know what you think. No bed, or let me put the other one on, I'll be right back. Or with the bed. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of the build so far. I think it's coming along pretty good. I do have to keep weathering this, but when I come back, or next time you see it, we'll get the flat overcoat on it. That'll be the last video, and hopefully I get enough votes either way, whether we're going to keep that rear or not. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe and all that good jazz. Till the next time.